Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve question number 21 in my important questions on trigonometry chapter for class 10th. Now the question is two pillars of equal height and on either side of a road which is 100 meter wide. The angles of elevation at the top of the pillars are 60° and 30° at a point on the road between the pillars. Find the position of the point between the pillars and the height of each pillar. So, as per the question, we can draw a diagram like this. Here, AB and CD are two pillars of equal height. Let's just say it is H. Now, if a person is standing at point P, that is on the road, and if he sees the point D, it makes an angle of 30°, and from P, once he sees the point A, it makes an angle of 60°. Now let us say that BP is the distance X, so PC will be the 100 minus X, because the total road is wide up to 100 meters. So with this figure, we will try to solve this question. So solution is let H equals to the height of two pillars in this case AB and CD. P, the point on the road between two pillars. Between two pillars. Now BP equals to X meter, X, and PC equals to 100 minus X, since the road is 100 meter wide. Now given angle APB equals to 60°, angle CPD equals to 30°. Equal to 30. Now we will consider first triangle ABP. In triangle in right angle triangle ABP, tan 60° equals to AB upon BP equals to AB is H and BP is X. So tan 60, the value of tan 60 is root 3 equals to H upon X, or H equals to root 3 X. Now let us say this is our equation 1. Now we will consider triangle PCD. In right triangle PCD, in right angle triangle PCD, tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree equals to CD upon PC. CD upon PC equals to CD is H, height of the pillar, upon PC is 100 minus X. We know tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals to H upon 100 minus X, or root 3H equals to 100 minus X. Now let us say equation 2. Now I will solve this question here. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, I will replace this H, so we will get root 3 into root 3 X equals to 100 minus X, or this is 3X equals to 100 minus X, or 3X plus X equals to 100. So this becomes 4X equals to 100. Therefore X equals to 100 upon 4. Once we cut it, we will get 25 into 4, that is 25 meter. So the value of X comes out to be 25 meter. Now we will calculate the value of H. So to find the value of H, I can put the value of X in equation 1 or 2. So if we put the value here, that is root 3H putting the value of X in equation 1. In equation 1, so we will get, here equation is h into root 3 x. So h will become, x is 25, so 25 root 3. So the height of pillar comes out to be 25 root 3. So these are the two answers, that is, find the position of the point between the pillars and the height of each pillar. So the x is the point, that is 25 meter. Our answer is 25 meter and 25 root 3. 25 meter equals to, this is position of the point. This is position of the point of the point, and 25 root 3 equals to height of each pillar. Height of each pillar. So in this way the question is solved. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.